Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the polymer technology. The practical significance of polymer molecular weight ના બાબતે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે સિમ્પલી જનરલાઇઝેશન ટર્મ જોઈ ગયા હતા કે હાઉ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ or derive these equations. Okay, now start the practical significance of polymer molecular weight ના બેસિસ પર આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું with a figure and graphically system. One might ask as to what is the practical use of the knowledge of molecular weight. Simply molecular weight તમને ખ્યાલ છે how to find out the molecular weight. આપણે અત્યાર સુધીમાં number of molecular weight, then weight average molecular weight. Let us look at the aspect. The many commercially useful polymers are selected on this basis. There are some properties such as melt viscosities, impact strength of tensile strength. Some of these properties are directly dependent on the molecular weight of polymer and a degree of polymerization. Simple, આપણે આગળ જે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈ ગયા હતા એવરેજ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ અને નંબર ઓફ એવરેજ મોલિક્યુલર વેટ માટે with a simple equations, then find out the calculation part. Now for example tensile અને impact strength જેમાં વધારો થાય સાથે મોલિક્યુલર વેટમાં બી વધારો થવાનો. Okay, the increase is up to a point and then it levels off. જે ફિગરમાં જોઈશું આપણે 3.6, this one. This is a graphical system for chemical polymers and useful storage. Which one graphically? Mechanical properties versus degree of polymerizations. Okay, and then second one graph, the melt viscosity and degree of polymerization part. Okay. Now ફિગરમાં દર્શાવ્યા પ્રમાણે જોયું આપણે બે ગ્રાફ્સ છે, એક તો મેલ્ટ વિસ્કોસિટી અને મિકેનિકલી એજિટેટેડ વેસલ્સ માટે ફોર ડિગ્રી ઓફ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન વર્સિસનો ગ્રાફ છે. The melt viscosity of the polymer and however shows a different trend. At a very high molecular weight the melt viscosity rises more stability then at low molecular weight. જે ફિગર આપણે 3.7માં જોયું. And a commercially useful polymers should have a low melt viscosity to permit ease of processing, but at the same time should exhibit good strength. The patterns shown in a figure 3.6 and 3.7 help to select the useful range of molecular weight for polymer માટે. બરાબર, તો આ ગ્રાફ તમે ડ્રો કરી લો. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ the trend showing dependence to tensile or impact strength of a polymer on degree of polymerization. Okay, this is the second one figure, trend showing the dependence of melt viscosity of a polymer on degree of polymerization. Okay, to bring into sharper focus to the effect of molecular weight on our physical properties. Generalize the form of a representation is shown in the figure 3.8 માં જોઈશું આપણે કે મેકેનિકલ સ્ટ્રેન્થ છે ઇઝ અ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન અને degree of polymerization, and qualitatively the nature of the curve is valid for all the polymers differing from one phase to another only with respect to the numerical values. Each and every polymer has the threshold values. Okay, the degree of polymerization below which the polymer does not possess any strength and exists as a fireable. The powder reaches the threshold degree of polymerization. The value varies from one polymer to another. For instance, cellulose threshold dp value of the 60 and a good number of vinyl polymer are found to have these values for above graphically system. The chemical polymer, degree of polymerization, melt viscosity and degree of polymerization na basis पर છે. Okay, so first of all draw this figure. This one is an important part for a practical session. ઓકે, હવે ફિગર 3.8 જોઈએ આપણે કે 3.8માં શું કીધું છે કે મિકેનિકલ સ્ટ્રેન્થ વર્સિસ અ ડિગ્રી ઓફ પોલિમરાઇઝેશન એક્સ એન્ડ ટીવી. The general trend showing the dependence of mechanical strength of chemical polymers on degree of polymerization for TV and XC that the text basis. Okay, the molecular weight and size basis for 100. Similarly, the knee portion of the curve for indicated X. Okay, in a shown in figure 3.8 માં જોયું આપણે. At which degree of polymerization value the polymer attains more or less full strength also varies from one polymer to another polymer. For instance, this value is a 400 for vinyl type polymers and a 250 for cellulose and roughly 150 for polyamides. Based on a wide range of the data collected, it has been established the polymers do not exist. The strength for dp values for lower than the 30 and the optimum strength for most of the polymers is obtained at a degree of polymerization value around 600. This one. Okay, આ ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ પરથી જોવાનું છે. ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ. Okay, so in a diagram and not draw it. Now the size of polymer molecules જોઈશું. નેક્સ્ટ ટોપિક છે આપણો. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ ટોપિક કયો જો અત્યારે આપણે ઇઝ ધ પ્રેક્ટિકલી સિગ્નિફિકન્સ ઓફ પોલિમર અને મોલિક્યુલર વેઇટના બેઝિસ પર ફિગર 3.6 અને ફિગર 3.7 ના ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં જોયું કે કેટલી રેન્જ પર એનું કોમેરિકલ પોલિમર્સના કવ આવે છે બેઝિસ પર. ઓકે, યુઝફુલ રેન્જ છે. ધ સેકન્ડ ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમ જોયું આપણે ધ મેલ્ટ વિસ્કોસિટી કેટલા પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂ પર આવે છે. Okay, then last one, which one is a mechanical strength versus degree of polymerization. Okay, 20,000 to 2 lakh સુધી એનું weight છે roughly. Now the point is the size of polymer molecules. Freely jointed chain for this model. For the sake of simplicity, let us imagine that a polymer molecule is made up of n segments, each having a length of L joined together freely end to end. And also, let us assume the joint at each segment are such that this point can freely rotate at this joint and this no restrictions of the angle formed between any segment. કોઈ બી બે લેવાના છે સેગમેન્ટ. ઓકે, કોઈ બી ચેનલ માટે એમાં શું કીધું છે ફ્રી જોઇન્ટેડ ચેન મોડલ. ઓકે, Okay, this simplified the version of the imaginary polymer chain is called a free joint chain. Figure 3.9 section A માં જોઈશું આપણે, and this shows a simple representation of a freely jointed channel. Now, how are to weigh and they express the size of the chain? Okay, only way, one way by expressing it would be the by its total length, which one, n multiply l. Okay, number of molecular weight and the L is equal to length. This length is known as the counter length. Definitions का याद रखो, counter length कोने के वास्ते for the we express the size of the chain and only one way of the expressing it would be by this total length, which is equal to the counter length. Another way of the expressing the size of the chain would be by the distance between the two chain end. Let us to call this distance as a chain end to end distance. Okay, one to another, and second one end to end distance, and denoted by this small r. Okay, but how do we compare this distance r? Let us the first assume that the particular model for a freely jointed chain, okay, the chain model, we joints are not the full ball and socket type, the hinge type. The result would be segmented, cannot be free rotations. Okay, so show in a figure this one and draw in your notebook. The first person illustrations of a freely jointed chain model for a simple representation. Second one is a completely folded. Okay, so what is the length of the each segment? Capital L is the extended chain length, small r2 r4, okay, is a number of the channels. Now, the fully stretch or extend state as shown in figure 3.9 B અને C જોયું આપણે કે different અલગ-અલગ chain માં આપ્યું છે. Okay, then the distance between chain and shortest its fully folded state. Now, and the longest it's fully extended, and the fully extended state will which one, the chain will take the shape and straight line for a small r will be equal to this distance between the two chain end. Okay, this is a chain fully extended, is known as a extended chain length. Okay, this definition is important, extended chain length. Now, let us denote it in the by L, which one, extended chain length should not be confused for a counter length. Okay, two definitions is the most important. First one is the counter length, second one is the extended chain length. In this case of the freely jointed chain model, these two lengths are the same and actual polymer molecules. They will be not be shown. We solve across this later in the section 3 according to the randomly these channels. And a few of the immutable, the shape of the RW1 to RNWN for number of average molecular weight. Okay, the statistically it has been shown that for shapes assume random walk made for a RW the smaller than L. Okay, now the revision part for a size of the polymer molecules. And freely jointed channel model. And the simply particular section part, significance of polymer molecular weight. Okay, so thank you so much.